What's up, YouTube? It's Investor Josh back with you again today. I've got something really special for you today. I want to show you. Some of you may not know about it. I find it kind of exciting. It's something I'm invested in. And if you want to know what it is, stick around and you'll get to find out very, very soon. But if you haven't already, please scroll down, hit that subscribe button, leave comments down if you want to be interactive, hit the bell, hit all for notifications, and together, each and every single day, I'm going to bring you what I consider some of the best stock and crypto picks out there. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. It's all for entertainment purposes only. I'm Josh. I've been investing in stocks for around 13 years now, and I first invested in Bitcoin back in 2013. I've done both very well in the stock and cryptocurrency field. Right now, I'm mostly concentrated on altcoins and some stocks. So if that sounds like something you'd like to know or something you'd like to learn more about, follow us along, hit the subscribe button. And I've been running this stock/crypto investing thing now for about a month on YouTube, and we have made some tremendous gains with some amazing coins and stocks. We've done big things on things like TOMO up 40%, Engine Coin over 40%, Chili's 100%, OMI 125%. The list just goes on. I can't think of more right now, but if you scroll back through my videos over the past month, you'll get to see, and all of the content I put out over the last month, I think is still extremely valid, and all those coins I'd have no issue in investing in. Everything I put out here, I let you know if I'm personally invested in or not. I don't tell you to invest in any of it. That's up to you. All right, so today we're going to continue on. We got one of our picks that I picked a few weeks back and I've been talking about ever since because it's had a few pops. Coti or Coti, that did a nice move today. We're going to have a look at that. Obviously today, Bitcoin and Ethereum were both down. I played a short position on Bitcoin. Some people say never short Bitcoin, but why not when you can make money on it? I played a short position on Bitcoin on Binance and made a small amount of money on that short as it was going down before I had to get out of the position. Having a look at the charts now, I don't know. It's hard to tell if it's going to continue to go down or continue on its way back up. Time will tell. You can play a position either way, a short or a long. That's up to you. That's for the more experienced traders. I'd encourage only experienced traders to do shorting and longing on something like Binance. Once you're in the game for a little while, understand it a bit more, is something you can look into. And in fact, if more of you would like to know about shorting and longing positions, leave a comment down below. Let me know, and maybe I can do a video about shorting and longing positions, including on stocks. You can get I'm invested in some 3x leveraged ETFs, so that might be something you'd like to know about as well. Let me know in the comments down below. So Coti moved up quite nicely today. Bitcoin and Ethereum both went down, sitting relatively steady at this minute, but it could move either way as I explained. We're going to go on to look at some charts, and I'm going to show you that one very special pick that I've got today that I want to talk to you about that maybe you might be very interested in. Let's check out those charts. First, we are starting over with Ethereum. Ethereum was down today, obviously, down 6.4%, 0.1 against the BTC. It is sitting at, price-wise, it is sitting at 1,677. If you're looking at investing in ETH, if you're not already or you want to invest more, this could potentially be a great opportunity to do so. I think within a reasonable amount of time, maybe a month or so, I don't think you're going to see this under $2,000 again for quite a while. So that's 2,000 US dollars. So at this point, 1,677, I think that's a good opportunity to jump in if you have not already, potentially. Not financial advice. There's the 1 hour chart. You can see it's up nearly 0.5% on the 1 hour chart, down on the 24, 7 and 14 day and 30 day. 1 year, obviously up 1,268%. So you'd be a very happy camper if you got into it 1 year ago. 24-hour chart, as you can see, it does not look great. But sometimes I like to zoom out. When you feel like you're having a bad day, we zoom out we have a look at the chart, and it's not looking so bad, is it? All the way down here, 90 days ago? So, and then it goes up, and it looks like it does some consolidation around here, dropping off today. We had that drop off, but we were sitting at earlier today, just over $1,800, I think. 24-hour high, here we go. Your 24-hour high was 1,815, 24-hour low 1,659. So it has dropped a bit today, but definitely something potentially you might want to get invested into. Next, we're moving on to the big dog, Bitcoin, down 6.3%. This is where I played my short and made a small profit on this today. We are up 0.6% in the past hour. It's a positive sign, obviously. That's your 24-hour chart. Not looking great. And we will look at 1 year. We're up 822%, which is very nice. Nothing to turn your nose up at. And this is the 90-day chart. So we have had a bit of a dump over the past 90 days or so. We went out to the max chart. It will show something else looking a little bit more appealing, or it won't do anything. But here we go. So you guys get the point here. We are down today, and if we scroll down a little further, we can see exactly what we're doing. So 24-hour low, 53,285. 24-hour high is 58 and $608. So quite the drop there, but in the scheme of things, it's not too bad. And I just, it could potentially go under $50,000 again, and I could be wrong, but I can't see it dropping below $50,000 anytime soon. I think we're sitting quite nicely above $50,000. So there's many people that got into this early this year, late last year, or even earlier, and have made some tremendous profits. Moving on, we got Coti up 10.2%, 17.5 against the BTC. Thank you very much for that drop. Coti, we are up 24-hour low. You can see that there, 0.475720, and the high, 0.549180. We are up 4 hours, 1 hour period. We're up nearly 5% in 1 hour. That's a greater percentage rate than a bank would give you in 2.5 years. 24 hours, we are up 10.2%. So I'm very bullish on Coti. Very bullish indeed. It's got so many news and events surrounding it. It's doing great things. It's moving in a positive direction, the kind of direction I like to see. That's the direction I like to see, the upwards direction. And that's what we're here for, to make this life-changing money. Moving on to the secret, if you will. Not really a secret, is it? But Marathon Digital Holdings. If you didn't know, this company mines Bitcoin. So they're Bitcoin miners. So it is a stock in the cryptocurrency field. Some of you might like to diversify a little bit. So today, just like BTC, we had a bit of a down day, and a lot of what they do kind of reflects what Bitcoin is doing. Now, if we just zoom out to the max chart, the 1 year chart, look at that. So your 1 year period, 1 year ago, we're looking at 46 cents. 46 cents a year ago. And now we're at 39.99 for the day. If we scroll down, we can see today's open was 42.97, the high 43.23. If we scroll across, we can see, so 52-week low, 38 cents, 52-week high, $49.41. So there has been tremendous profits made on this. Even if you go, say, 6-month chart, look at that. We're at $1.94 over here. So this has had some massive growth. Kind of, as I say, it's in line with BTC in a lot of ways when BTC really took off. So we're looking at, look at that jump. So we've gone from $12.39 in November 13th, December 22nd, $13. What was Christmas Day? I can't even get it to stop on the 25th. Well, the 24th was $10.92. And then you've got January $17, just over. You got February $43, a bit of a dip here, $28 in March, and we're sitting at $39.99 today. So definitely something to look at if you want to diversify, get into the stock field. Maybe it's something you'd like to look at. It's definitely something I'm in. I'm invested in everything I've spoken about today: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Coti, and Mara. So it's just something extra, just to diversify your portfolio. So that's what the market's doing today. I hope you found this content interesting. If you did, please scroll down and hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how you feel about the market or the topics we spoke about today. If you have any questions, feel free to shout out. It's hard to give exact price predictions, as some people have been asking me to do it on specific coins, but I will do it from time to time, or within an area of how I think it's going to travel. On those big coins, I think we could potentially see Bitcoin hitting the 100K or above this year. I think it's very, very achievable to see the $100,000 mark this year easily. I'd be surprised if it didn't hit $100,000. So there's a potential doubling of money right there. And then in Ethereum, I think once they get these gas fees sorted out, which they're working on, they've got some solutions for that. I think we can see a huge rise in that, potentially up to $10,000 this year, my humble opinion. So that's definitely something to look into, something to think about. We'll see how it goes, how it travels over time. Coti is doing amazing things. Just the whole space in general. This year is a bull run, if you didn't know. So if you want to get investing, now's the time to do it. Yesterday was better. Last week was better. A year ago would have been better. But today is as good as tomorrow, or better than tomorrow, we should say. So yeah, please come along for this journey. Every single day I upload new content. If I've helped you be financially successful, there's some links down in the description if you want to help me out. Also, my Twitter is down in the description if you want to follow me on Twitter. I do tweet when I buy and sell, obviously quicker and faster than uploading a YouTube video, although I do upload one YouTube video every single day. And that's about it for me today. So thank you very much for watching. It's a pleasure for me to do this for you. And thank you, everyone. Thank you for your support. I'll see you tomorrow.